She's got an OnlyFans that she's promoting by using the gym for content, and this guy saw it and he tried to put an end to it. And this is what she had to say about what happened.
So just because I do OF, I'm not allowed to stretch at the gym. Also, to all the girls saying that I deserved it, and all the people saying that I deserve to have my phone kicked, I deserve to be harassed in public because I was minding my own business in the smallest corner of the gym. Is there a rule that says no phones? No, there's not. Was it on a tripod? Was I being obnoxious? No, I wasn't. It's really sad to me to see all these comments saying that I deserve something because I went to the gym and I was stretching.